In a small village nestled by the verdant forests, there stood an old barbershop that was known for its history and charm. The barbershop had multi-generational customers who loved to visit and share their stories. One evening, under the soft glow of moonlight, the villagers gathered for the start-up preparation of a new project aimed at organizational improvements within the community. The exercise was crucial, involving the coordination of delivery agents, who were responsible for ensuring everything ran smoothly. Despite being plagued by past setbacks, the community had a pledge to remain united and focused on their goals. The ability to perform their duties with mindfulness was emphasized, ensuring everyone worked together clearly and efficiently. As the night progressed, the worshippers raised their voices in unison, inspired by the enigmatic plant that had immortalized their heritage. The plant, believed to have survivors from ancient times, was a symbol of resilience. The villagers shared a random fact about how the plant had remained untouched despite the changing environment. During the meeting, a forward plan was discussed, which included a detailed modifications procedure to improve their systems. The seriousness of their mission was evident, with general recommendations taken into account to prevent any events of emergency and unforeseen situations. The network of support they had built over the years was their strength. Inspired by example, the villagers worked on commonly confused words to improve communication within the community. The discussions often led to discord, but they were well coordinated and resolved issues effectively. The developments made were not just operational, but also social, strengthening their bonds. The barbershop, once just a place for haircuts, had now become a hub for ideas and growth. Together, they were shaping their future, breaking down barriers, and ensuring that their village thrived. Each meeting, each decision, and each serious discussion was a step towards a better tomorrow. As the evening came to a close, the village felt a sense of accomplishment. The breaking of old patterns and the embrace of new ones were signs of progress. The villagers left the barbershop, their hearts filled with hope and determination, ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead. In the end, the village's journey was a testament to the power of community, the importance of mindfulness, and the strength found in unity. They had not only improved their systems, but had also enriched their lives with purpose and meaning.